So good morning guys. Finally Auto Bavaria has called me yesterday to inform me that my car is ready for collection. So after 9 days I sent the car in to the service center to address a few issues, and finally they called me back to collect the cars, and now I'm heading to Auto Bavaria KL. So I'll update you guys shortly. So the car is ready, and now my fuel flap is fixed. Still open. And let's lock the car. Okay, the car is now locked. Yeah, finally it is locked. And now let's have a look at the headlamps. They have changed the yellow side of my headlamps. This is the original left side, and this is the new passenger side headlamps. And they have also cleaned all the brake pads and caliper for me. Because of my rear noise, they clean all the brake pads and caliper for me, and the rotor. So they claim that it is not okay, let me go through one by one. First thing is the headlights. Okay, so they ordered the passenger side headlight for me for replacement because of the yellowish LED ring. And after they replaced it, they found that the LED ring is still appeared to be slightly yellowish. And so they checked again, compared with other models, and they found that there's something wrong with my control module for the headlights. So this took a bit time for them to order the parts and replace for me. And now everything is all good for the headlights. Both are equally whitish and bright. I'm very happy with the headlights. At least it's not yellowish anymore. And I got a new headlights for my passenger side. So okay, now is let's go to the fuel flap. The fuel flap was faulty, and they changed the lock mechanism, the whole thing for me, and now it's working as it should. And also about my irritating rear noise, the kick kind of noise. The mechanic check, and they said it's not about the absorber or the suspension problem, but it's actually a dirty brake system. So they clean the brake pad, caliper, and everything for me, for all wheels. And they tell me to continue to observe if the sound come back again. They say it's not absorber problem because there's no leakage or anything on the absorber. So I just hope they really resolve the matter and I don't have to come back again. And yeah, I want to say a great shout out to Auto Bavaria KL, especially my service advisor Adrian. He has been very helpful, and yeah, I've been bugging him because I was carless, so I have been bugging him for almost every 1-2 days, asking about my car update. And yes, he's very helpful, answering all my questions. I'm very happy with the service. And also, most importantly, another great shout out to my sales advisor Nicole. She has been very helpful and very responsible. She helped me to claim the passenger side headlight for me, and yeah, and whenever I say my car has problems, she will follow up with me and things like that. So if you guys are interested to buy a new BMW or a BMW approved used car, you can definitely contact Nicole. Yeah, you can private message me or PM me for contact. All in all, I'm quite happy with the service so far, and hopefully my next appointment with the service center will be just a normal service. So back to the headlight. Since I got a new headlight there, and I plan to put a protective film on it, but my service advisor told me that it's better not to do it because it will sort of like damage the headlight, because the heat of the headlight will melt protective film and become yellowish, and even if you tear it down, the stain will still be there. So he advised me not to do it, but there's the cons or the disadvantage side of not having a protective film will be my headlights is open to stone chip, those kind of risk. So should I do it or not? Oh my god, I'm struggling here. Yeah, in fact I actually made an appointment to the headlight shops, or perhaps I should just visit him and get his advice. But we'll see about that.